Hello all, happy to meet you here. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topics, that is how to become a data analyst. So out of all the people who are looking to make their career decision, data analyst is one of the important ones among that. So the major reasons behind that is it offers a very good package. It has multiple job openings at multiple industries and it is very easy to learn, and it is one of the convenient ways for people to move into IT sector from a non-IT background. So under data analysis, we have two roles. One is data analyst and business analyst. So let's understand the difference between these two. Data analyst is the one who works on data like collecting, cleansing, modeling, analyzing and visualizing the data. And business analyst is also similar to the same set of skill sets what a data analyst possess, but they will be more inclined towards a business requirement like understanding the business and what the business expects from them, and also they will help to make a critical decisions in the business. Now let's understand what are all the major skill sets that the data analyst should possess. So I broadly categorize these into two things. One is technical skill sets and another one is managerial skill set. So under technical skill sets, the data analyst should possess knowledge on Microsoft Excel, any of the SQL tools and any of the data visualization tools like PowerBI or Tableau, and the basic programming languages like Python or R language. Under managerial skill sets, the data analyst is expected to possess a good communication skill, a good problem solving thinking, attention to detail and a very good time management. Once if you acquire all these necessary skill sets, you can develop your own project and post it in LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the very good places where you can connect with multiple people who are working across data analyst community. So after that, you can also undertake certain certifications which is available in the market that will also give you a very good visibility among the community that may attract multiple job offers for you. I'll provide those list of topics in the description. Please do check that out. And in case if you have any further queries on this or whatever we have discussed, please do mention in the comments. I'll definitely read and I'll respond you. And please do like, share and subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you.